Khaby Lame has sold his image to become an AI clone for just under $1 billion. So if you don't know who Khaby Lame is, he's one of the biggest content creators in the world. He started on TikTok and has amassed over 300 million followers because of his simple style of videos. And the holding company behind him and his social media has just been acquired in a deal reportedly worth between $900 to $975 million from a company called Rich Sparkle Holdings. So we're going to talk more about the details of the deal later in the video, but let's have a look at Khaby Lame's earnings from the last year. So we are on Forbes top content creators of 2025. We'll have a look at some of the top ones. So number one, Mr. Beast, of course, 85 million, and he has 634 million followers. Darman, 56 million and 137 million followers. And then number three, we have Jake Paul, 50 million and 79 million followers. This article is actually from August, so I think Jake Paul definitely has more than that from his last couple of fights. But let's go to Khaby Lame. Khaby Lame's actually number 10. Khaby Lame earned 20 million and has 258 million followers. I think it's more than that. And let's have a look at what Forbes has to say about him. The mime of memes continues to be the most followed human on TikTok with 162 million fans. World famous for his spoofs and hot takes on viral trends, the Italian influencer scores millions for deals with brands including Hugo Boss, crypto exchanges Binance, and many Hollywood studios, where he often posts cameos with the top stars including Tom Cruise and Matt Damon. You should not be in a rush to make money, says Lame. Start by making the content you like. Well, it's funny he says that because I feel like he is in a rush to make money with this latest deal he has done. So we're going to have a look into it even further. So essentially, Rich Sparkle will be controlling the monetization of Khaby Lame's brand himself, and they said they're going to make an AI clone of him. So let's have a look at what it says on this Presswire article. Analytics see this as a powerful alignment mechanism. Short-term monetization and long-term brand building begin to move on the same curve, reducing volatility, increasing commitment, and expanding strategic imagination. From viral moments to system conversion, while the 4 billion annual sales outlook is a model, not a slogan. So essentially, it seems like Rich Sparkle believed that through Khaby Lame's brand, his social media platforms, and from monetizing an AI clone of him, that they could generate 4 billion in annual sales. And they say top tier global exposure that creates massive conversion potential, exclusive full chain execution spanning content planning, paid growth, storefront operations, product selection and pricing, cross-border supply chain fulfillment and after sales, and then the interesting part, AI digital twin integration, enabling content output to scale beyond human scheduling and time zones. So to me, without sounding like a conspiracy theorist, this is going to be integral to the creator landscape and even the e-commerce landscape throughout the next few years. So creating a digital twin, like they said, it is going to bring his brand beyond timescales and time zones. So that means they can be on a live stream with him 24 hours a day with his AI clone in any country, any time zone, selling whatever product. They could have 10 different accounts selling 10 different products. It's a scary sight, to be honest. It is very scary. And as a creator and entrepreneur, I can see it from both ends of the scale. As an entrepreneur, if I had an AI creator that was able to sell anything through any time of the day, I don't need to ask how they are. I don't need to travel with them. I don't need to get them from one place to another. Literally can set up the stream and start selling. It is a gold mine for me. I'm very happy with that. And as a creator, say for example, now someone offered me a deal. Obviously, I'm not the same level as Khaby Lame. I've got just under 250,000 followers across all platforms. Imagine now they offered me $100,000, £100,000 to clone me as an AI creator, and I took that deal. If I didn't sign the correct paperwork and I didn't read through it thoroughly, now they can sell any product using my image. They can sell in any industry. They could sell gambling products. They could sell alcohol, even if I was against that. It is just a can of worms, and it's got the potential to put the creator economy out of business. As a creator myself, if there's AI clones now that can sell 24 hours a day and they can make whatever video they want, And here's me as one person putting out one video a day. They can flood me out. They can flood the market. It is definitely a slippery slope. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of this deal and what do you think the implications of it will be? If you're a creator, if you're a business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're an e-com, would you consider using an AI creator? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for daily content. I'm broke, baby.